morning, YouTube world.
Good morning.
It's an early morning. It's like 7:30 right now on a Sunday. We're about to go snowboarding. So just waking up now, and we're gonna head inside, say hi to the rest of the crew, make some breakfast, and then get going. Also, Katie is buying me a snowboard as an early Christmas gift. So we got to find out where we're going to put this thing, but I am absolutely stoked. And today I'm going to demo a snowboard, see if it's the one.
Bryce, don't cry.
How are they going? Yeah.
Boom.
Good morning, YouTube.
This is my sister Emma. She's really cute. And she's also helping with breakfast. Emma, what are you doing to make breakfast?
You know, I am rinsing the beans. Very crucial part of
any part is crucial. Boom.
What's up?
Matt Gorelli, the infamous. What are you doing, Matt?
We're making breakfast burritos. I'm making some rice. And burritos without rice.
We have to give
True
ourselves
that.
energy so we could send it hardcore on the mountain today.
Bryce already promised me this morning that he wouldn't get hurt today, so that's documented.
We didn't get that on video though.
It's on video now. Tom.
Yo.
Tom's slicing and dicing the peppers.
You're good.
Boom. I think it's gonna turn out pretty good.
Overall, I think we crushed it. Mostly Matt crushed it, but this is gonna be a solid breakfast. Give us the energy we need to send it. We're up on the mountain. Katie's not here, she's with Emma. I don't know where they're at, but there's Tom and Matt. And we're about to rip down this thing, hit some jumps. We're gonna get those on video. Get ready. I'm probably gonna crash without that good of snowboarding, but this is about to be sick. Lost time, but me and Matt are about to rip it down this mountain. Awesome view from up here. We've had a couple wipeouts, landed a couple, sick. First time riding some powder in the trees, also dope. So let's get this.
This is Matt, Katie's brother. I don't know if you can see it right now, but Bryce is kind of stuck in the powder, so I'm gonna see if we can do this. You get stuck? Hey Bryce, how much do you love powder? You want me to toss you a floaty?
Oh, look at that.
He's floating again. Ladies and gentlemen, he's floating again.
I'm about to go down a blue.
Yes, she is.
Woo!
Go, Katie. Yeah, Katie.
Well, we're done for the day. I met back up with Catherine.
Hi, everybody.
And the snowboard was sick, so Katie bought me the snowboard for Christmas. Early Christmas gift. And yeah, today was a pretty awesome day, and now we have a snowboard, which is dope. Now we're gonna go back. And Tom's making chili tonight,
Oh, man.
so I'm pretty stoked for that. But I'm shot, so I'm gonna eat some chili and then probably just hang out.